What do you do for fun? Do you have several hobbies? In this lesson, you will learn and practice basic expressions for asking about someone's interests and hobbies and how to answer them. 안녕하세요, 아루사입니다. Hi, this is 아루사. 시간 있으면 뭐 하세요?
드럼 쳐요. 주말에 드럼 배워요.
와우, 재밌어요?
네. 신나고 재밌어요. 디기디기.
Have you watched the previous video of Basic Conversation Starter? If so, you are aware of this character, Hanul. He's gonna pull lots of questions about my hobbies and interests. Don't worry, it's going to be easy and simple, as always. And at the end of the video, I'm going to put some key expressions of today's lesson. I hope you'll find it easy and useful to review. 취미가 뭐예요? 음악 들어요. 저도요. 그래요. 무슨 음악 들어요? 저는 재즈 좋아해요. 재즈 좋아하세요? 재즈는 안 좋아해요. 운동해요. 무슨 운동하세요? 헬스해요. 취미가 뭐예요? 취미, hobby. 취미. When you pronounce 취, make u sound first and say 취미. Then it's easy to pronounce. 취미. 취미가 뭐예요? What's your hobby? As you see, your possession pronoun is omitted. 취미가 뭐예요? Or you can ask this way. 시간 있으면 뭐 해요? 시간, time. 있으면, when you have, or if you have. 뭐 해요? What do you do? It's very simple, only 3 syllables for what do you do expression. 뭐 해요? 시간 있으면 뭐 해요? 있으면. 시간 있으면 뭐 해요? How about this question? 주말에 뭐 해요? 주말에 on the weekends. 주말, weekend. 에 is a preposition meaning in, on, at. 주말에 on the weekends. 주말에 뭐 해요? 주말에 뭐 해요? What do you do on the weekends? 음악, music. 음악 좋아해요. 음악 좋아해요. Music, like. I is omitted. 저는 is omitted. 좋아해요 itself can be either statement or question. You just raise the last syllable, 요, then it becomes a question. 좋아해요? 좋아해요. I like something. With one form of a verb, you can express both statement and question. Super easy. Plus, as you know, you omit 요, it becomes informal expression. You say that to your very close friends, younger people who are close to you. One thing that is convenient about learning Korean verbs is that whoever the subject is, he, she, they, I, they are not conjugated. So just use 좋아요. Super easy. 저도요. Me too. So do I. 저도요. Then you change it to less formal. You say 나도요. 나도요. Or very casual. 나도. 나도. Me too. So 나도 can be used for me too or me either. For example, if Hanul says I don't like seafood and I say 나도, you don't need to say me either, different expression. Me too, me either, me neither, all are 나도 or 저도요. 재즈 좋아해요. I answer 음악 들어요. Then Hanul wants to know what kind of music I listen to. Then 무슨 음악 들어요? 무슨 음악? What music? 들어요? Do you listen? 무슨 음악 들어요? 힙합 들어요? 팝송 들어요? You can also use this question. 음악 뭐 들어요? 음악 뭐 들어요? Music, what do you listen to? 영화 봐요. 영화, movie. 영화. When you pronounce 화, you make O shape first. 화, 화. 영화. 영화 봐요. Movie, watch. 영화 봐요. I watch movies. 무슨 영화 좋아하세요? Netflix in Korean. 넷플릭스 봐요. 넷플릭스. 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 No F sound. 넷플릭스. 플. 넷플릭스 봐요. I mean, Korean people say that, but you don't need to say Netflix. You can just say Netflix. Netflix 봐요. It's okay. 유튜브 봐요. 유튜브 봐요. 유튜브 봐요. 봐요. But you can also say just simply 봐요. 유튜브 봐요. 운동해요. Exercise, do. 무슨 운동 해요? 운동 뭐 해요? Meaning the same but different expressions. 운동해요. When you break down the word 운동해요, it's 운동 plus 해요. Exercise plus do. Like do exercise. 축구 해요. Football, do. Here do means play, huh? So we say 축구 해요. So if you like to play specific sport, you look up the word and say blah blah 해요. But for these sports, we say 쳐요. 골프 쳐요. 테니스 쳐요. 당구 쳐요. Otherwise, 해요. 요리해요. 요리하다, to cook. Cooking, do. 요리해요. 저랑 같이 요리하실래요? 요생남이세요? 요생남 refers to a guy who cooks very well. Literally translated, cooking sexy guy. 요리하는 섹시한 남자. Are you 요생남? Are you 요생녀? But we don't use the word 요생녀. Only 요생남. Why? Let's think about it. 여행 다녀요. 여행, trip, 다녀요, travel or go. 여행 다녀요. Or you can say 여행 가요. trip, go. 저도요. 같이 가요. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments, alright? And at the end of the video, I'm going to put some key expressions of today's lesson. I hope you'll find it easy and useful to review. Thanks for watching the video. I always appreciate you. 안녕. 저는 첼로 켜요. 취미가 뭐예요? 취미가 뭐예요? 시간 있으면 뭐 해요? 주말엔 뭐 해요? 무슨 영화 좋아하세요? 무슨 운동 하세요? 저도요. 저도 운동 좋아해요. 무슨 요리 하세요? 음악 뭐 들어요? 무슨 음악 들어요? 고맙습니다. 구독, 좋아요, 감사합니다.